Hey guys, welcome back to this training. Now, in this training, I'm going to be teaching you what is tax refund, how tax refund work, and how you can position yourself as a tax refund expert. You know, for clients who need to reclaim taxes and get paid from these clients. Now, there are a lot of people who live in the first world countries like the USA, Australia, Canada, America, who are entitled to a lot of tax refund. But many of these guys do not really know that they are entitled to tax refund, especially blacks who work in these countries. There are even a lot of white indigenous people of those countries who have millions and millions of dollars resting with the government and with, you know, yes, with the government, not actually with their employees, because their employees pay these taxes. And these taxes most times are overpaid to the government. So if you don't claim it, the money will be with these government agencies and you may never get it. Nearly everybody who is gainfully employed in these countries are entitled to tax refunds, but they do not know. Now, here is where you come in. Position yourself as a tax refund expert to help them reclaim their taxes, and they are ready to pay you huge amount of money for you to position yourself as a tax refund claim expert to help them claim their money. Now, there are two types of tax refund that I want to show you in this video. Number one kind of tax refund is business tax refund. Now you can position yourself as a professional small business tax refund. There are a lot of small business owners in these countries who are old, who are supposed to be entitled to $30,000, $50,000, even up to $100,000 that they do not know. So this is where you come in, position yourself to help them reclaim this tax. Also, there are employees who work in companies, normal employees who just go to their daily 9 to 5 work or 8 to 5 work that are, own tasks that are qualified to claim tasks. But a lot of them do not know that they are qualified to claim tasks. So you positioning yourself as a tax refund expert will make you a lot and a lot of money. If you position yourself as a tax refund expert, you will make a lot of money. All you need to do is to follow what I will show you in this video to get to this set of people, make them know that they have tax to claim, and these guys will engage you with these services, and you cannot go ahead to help them claim tax or otherwise, right? But the purpose of this video is for you to find these people, find these people who want to claim tax, engage with them, and get paid for you to become their tax refund expert. That's the purpose of this video. So, I'll first of all advise you to go and watch this particular video that I did here. This video will show you how to extract Gmail and any other email address from Google, right? So this video is going to show you, I've already done this video. It's going to show you how to extract email, how to extract email, company email, personal emails, employees email, how to extract this email, how to check this email if they are valid, and all of that. And when you are armed with this email and also with your tax refund website, so this is the tax refund website. You should have your tax refund website, created, right? You should have your tax refund website created, right? So this is your tax refund website. So when you have this email and you have this tax refund website created, the next thing for you to do is to go into action and start contacting these people and getting them to hire you to become their tax refund expert. So I'm also going to give you the format here. Yes, so this is the format. So this is the video I was talking about. This is the format here. So if you see this one, tax refund for small business owners. So the first email you are going to send is your business owe the tax refund? Let's find out. You see that So this is the body of the email. Many businesses overpay taxes each year without realizing they qualify for hidden deduction, credits, and refund. You could be owed thousands of dollars without even knowing, right? So yeah, now it's at your company. So let me put my company name. So my company name is, you know, Tax Lexi Solution. So at Tax Lexi Solutions. Can you see that? We specialize in mathematical business tax reform while ensuring compliance with IRS regulation. Our experts identify overpaid taxes or claim deductions, available credits to help business like yours recover every dollar possible. So this email is to go to them and let them know that okay, you are this expert and they could be owe a lot of tasks and you want to help them get these tasks. Nobody will see such an email that will not be happy for you. So here's how we can analyze past returns to uncover missed refund, identify industry specific tax credits, ensure accurate and timely fillings to avoid penalties. Take the first step today for a free refund assessment. Check your refund now. So to check your refund now, you will not put your website there, right? So you will not put your website there. So your website will not be here. So they are going to go into your website, or you can put the direct link to claim. So this is direct link to claim. But I will advise you to just first of all put the homepage of the website there. Right? Put the homepage of the website there. When they come, they can click on claim. So let's go back to the email format. You see that? So you now put your name, your company name, Desi Solutions. So you can put your name. So you can now put your contact information. So you can even tell them to message you on WhatsApp. So your own is to what? Send this email. Don't forget, like I said in the first video, I'm going to show you. I showed you how you can extract these emails, how you can get emails of employees, business owners in one of all of these countries, right? So all you need to do once you get those email, then so you see something like that. So that's email one. Now email two, three tax refund mistakes that cost business thousands. Sometimes for you to really get people to contact you, you really need to position yourself as a real business owner. That is where this email now comes in, right? So you see three tax refund mistakes that cost business thousands. You see that. So when these guys see this kind of email, they go, oh, this is a serious business. So you see, tax regulations are complex and many business owners unknowingly leave money on the table by making simple mistakes when filling your tax. Here are three common tax refund mistakes that could cost you. So you do the three. So at your company, we specialize in heavy taxes. Recover every dollar you are entitled. Let's review your tax filing today. You see that? Something like that. So you just fill and put on. So at least send up to 5 emails. Send up to 5 emails. Before you send up to 5 emails to this email list, trust me, you are going to get a lot of people who are going to message you for you to go ahead and do this business for them, right? So now, email social proof and storage. So this is another email. Say how. So you can say how Johnson, yeah, recovered $50,000 in overpaid taxes. So you say, so you now come here and say client name, say Johnson. You see that Johnson, you know, a plumbing business owner. Can you see that? Thought they had already maximized their tax benefits until they work with us. After a comprehensive tax review, we help them recover additional $50,000 in tax refund. Here's what we did: identify overlooked deduction and tax credits, corrected previous tax filing error, optimize their tax strategy to reduce future liability. Your business may also be owed thousands in refund. Let us conduct a tax-free refund check for you. You see that? So these guys will be happy. So this email 5, you see that time is running out. Claim your business tax refund now. The tax refund deadline is fast approaching, and if you do not act now, you risk losing the opportunity to recover unpaid taxes and unclaimed credits. So by working with, you can ensure maximum refund with the expert. You see that? So such an email will make process seamless, hassle-free. click below to get started. So you put your website link there. So you can do final call to action email too. See, a final the less chance to claim your tax refund. At least send 5 emails. That's why I did 5 follow-up emails. This is your final reminder to claim your business tax refund before the deadline. If you miss the opportunity, you may forfeit thousands of dollars in potential refunds. So you see that. Now let's go back down. Tax refund for employees who want to apply for tax refund. So the first one I showed you is for business owners. So this is for employees. So let me remove this. So email one introduction of value so subject, are you owed the tax refund? Find out today. See that. So many employees unknowingly overpaid taxes each year, leaving hundreds or even thousands of dollars of claim. Are you one of them? So put you at our company, Let's Tax Solution, we specialize in individual like you recover the tax refunds you deserve. Whether you have multiple income sources, work remotely, or qualify for special deduction, our team ensures that you maximize your refund without any hassle. See that our services include identify, meet deduction, tax credit, reviewing previous tax reform, additional reforms, ensuring accurate and timely filling of IRS delay. You get it now? So then you follow up with two again. This one is to educate and establish authority. Three common tasks we say that could cost you your refund. You see that? Position yourself as a real business owner. So that's what that email will do for you. So this one now is how, so you put your client name, receive an extra 2,500 in tax refunds. There's nobody who want to see this kind of email that will not respond. More especially people do not really know that they get old taxes, but you now you want to stand as a professional to let them know you have a tax to claim and we want to claim it for you. So imagine telling somebody that you want to help them claim $50,000, $100,000, and you are just charging okay, let's say 10% of that money. They will be willing to pay you that money to get started. From there, you can take it to another level. Last year, a client hardworking, was about to fight us independently. They assumed they were getting a standard refund, but after working with us, they received an extra $2,500 in tax refund. You see that? So how we help them and all of that. So this email for don't miss out. The tax refund deadline is approaching. Can you see that? The deadline to file your tax is fast approaching. If you do not file before, so you may miss out on valuable deductions or credits that you could put. So you can just put any day that this is time for them to file their tax refund. So something like that. So final call to action email. So you see that. So this is your last chance. File your tax refund today before it's too late. This is your final reminder to claim your tax refund before the deadline. If you do not act now, you may forfeit money that rightfully belongs to you. We make the tax filing process simple and efficient. Here's where employees trust us. So these are email series, 5 email series for employees and 5 email series. So let me just, for instance, take the first email. Let me send you a message with this. So let me just take this email. So I'm going to go to I want to send emails like this. You can use a Gmail or you can use a webmail, right? But I always prefer that you use a webmail. But you know that webmail will not allow you to send multiple emails like that. So you might want to use SMTP, right? You might want to use SMTP. You might want to have SMTP server that will allow you to send multiple emails. But trust me, even with your Gmail, you can send up to 200 emails at once. Even with your Gmail, you can send up to 200 emails. But with your webmail, don't send bulk email with your webmail. Most webmail companies will block you. So if you want to send multiple emails, it's either you are using your Gmail to send like 200 emails at once, or you are using an SMTP server to do that. So we also have we have course on SMTP server. You can build your SMTP server yourself because SMTP servers are very expensive, right? If you want to build an SMTP server for you, it's going to cost you not less than 500k to 700k. But you see, we have a course here, a very cheap course. It's just 35,000 naira that can assist you in setting up your SMTP server. So you can see, the outline of the course and everything about the course. The course curriculum is here. Everything about the course is here. So you can purchase this course. You can contact me on WhatsApp to get this course, or you can buy online, and you can use it to create your SMTP server. So let me just show you how to compose email. So I'm just going to go to compose. So I want to send to this Gmail. So if you are sending to many, you just put RCC, then you put the address there. So let me just first of all put this what I want to send here. So subject line. So this is is your tax refund. Let's find out. So you just cut this one out, then remove this. So I can say, can you see that? So I put my subject line here. Can you see that? So that's the subject line. So any business, so see all of the message. So you see that this message has been edited properly. Where can you see that? So all I would just do is to what is to send. Awesome. All I would just do is to send. So if you are using Gmail, if you are using Gmail, like I've said before, if you are using Gmail, you can just come to compose and put the Gmail you are sending it to here. Then you go to BCC. So you go to BCC. So you copy all of the other emails. Up to 200 emails can go here, right? Then you enter your subject line here, right? You enter your subject line here. Then you enter your body of your letter. There, you enter the body of your letter there. So you enter the body of your letter here. So you remove this, please. So remove this, please. Can you see that? So remove this, please. Let me just close that. I think I sent. So you see the email that I sent here just now. Can you see that? So make sure here it's not showing admiralty carry your business name. So you can make that carry your business. Let me just show you. You can go to settings. So you can go to settings and you can go to identities. So you can now go to your email display name. So put your display name there. Make it as your display name and company name too. So if you are using SMTP server or you are using Gmail and all of that, so just make sure that it's appearing nice. Your name is appearing nice, right? So if I go back to mail again, let me go to send email. So I'm just going to copy that mail again. Then I'm going to go to compose again. I'm going to send that mail again. So I'm going to send that mail again. I'm going to drafts. I think I draft this one here. So just copy this. And then I'm going to put this one here again. All right. So I'm going to send that email again. Okay, recipient. So I'm going to send that again. Awesome. So I'm going to check again if that email come. So that email came. Can you see the email here? And look at the second one here, script coded. So it came as script coded when I just configured. It's your business own it has. So you see that. So this is how they will get, and when they get the email, it's for them to just click and go to your website and click on claim task, claim refund, you know, click on claim refund and they message you, right? So when they message you, all you now need to do is now send them a receipt of how much you want to charge them, for you to claim, um, the tax refund for them, right? For you to claim the tax refund for them. Awesome, right? So you can also use Canva, software like Canva to do your invoice. Also use Canva to do your invoice. So you can go to Canva and then. So the idea of this video, so you're going to invoice, is to make sure that you get the attention of these guys. So once you get the attention of these guys, you make sure you take it up from there. So like I said, you can charge them 10%. So you see that these are invoices. These are a lot of free invoices that you can use for this purpose. So you I'll come here now and say that customize this invoice. So you could make your work professional, look professional. So it's like invoice that you can use for this. So let's increase the size so we see very well. Can you see that? So all you need to do, just double click. So just edit, right? Edit, put your information here. Just change all of this to your information. Just change. And once you don't need, you can remove them. Then you cannot download. So you cannot download as PDF. So let's look at it. Yes, can you see that? So you cannot send them. Say here is your payment receipt. Follow up. Send them a mail on how to make payment. So then they make payment to you. Then you take it up from there. So the purpose of this video is to just show you how you can get this going, show you, give you the format and all of that. So with this, you're gonna make a lot of money because there are a lot of people who want to collect their taxes, but they don't know how to go about it. There are a lot of people who have also been collecting their taxes, but they don't know they are leaving a lot of money behind the table. So that is where you come in to help these guys, collect their tax. So I'm going to drop this format here for you. I'm going to add this format here to the video that I'm going to be sending you for this. So guys, thank you for this, and then I wish you all the best of luck in your hustle. A lot of you already have access to this tax refund video, right? Tax refund sorry script. So if you want to purchase this tax refund script and you don't have it before, all you need to do, just chat me on WhatsApp. Chat me on WhatsApp. Let me put my phone number here. So you can just chat me on WhatsApp, you know, to get the script. The script is just 65,000 naira, and I'll give you access to the scripts and this video, right? So thank you for listening, and God bless you.